Welcome everyone to our next SAP withholding tax configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define regions for exemption. So in this activity, you define regions for exemption from withholding tax. You can enter this indicator in the supplier master record or in the company code withholding tax master record information. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, press enter, financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, then withholding tax here, extended withholding tax, go to basic settings here and click on define regions for exemption here. Check your country here, then click on new entries here, enter your region for exemption, press enter, click on save, continue. Now you can see your region for exemption is created. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.